On the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin is about to break this falling wedge, which is a really bullish setup. So if there will be breakout and then a support confirmation, this can be absolutely insane opportunity to open here a long trade, because the next important price target is this bearish order block, which is between level 72k600 and 71k280. In this video, we will take a deep look on this current trading setup. I will tell you in what conditions I am gonna enter this position, where will be my stop loss, where will be my take profit targets, etc. So if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end, because right now I think Bitcoin is forming here something really huge. As I said, the key element here is a support confirmation after a breakout. Definitely do not open here a long trade just after a breakout of this resistance, because in my opinion there will be really high chance of a fake out. But in case of that support confirmation, you can place the stop loss somewhere back to this falling wedge. This is like really up to you and on the potential risk reward ratio that you want to have. And the main take profit target will be somewhere in this bearish order block. So let's say a level approximately like 72k200, 72k300, something like that, which can give us potential risk reward ratio like 7.2, and that's in my opinion really good. Definitely in this case it is also really important to take multiple take profit targets, because you want to manage your position properly. So yeah, some of the profits stay definitely like under these highs, then for example under this high, some of the profits also maybe under like this bearish order block, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end we are looking for a trade with risk reward ratio like 5, 4.7, 4.5, something like that, which is in my opinion still really insane for a trade on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, if you are looking for some trade on Bitcoin right now, I think that this is the best setup that you can currently watch. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. The RSI indicator is currently undervalued because we are sitting on the level approximately like 31.5. So this is another reason why I think that there is pretty high probability that in case of that support confirmation, we are actually gonna reach our final take profit target, and we are gonna take the liquidity in this bearish order block. Of course, there is like an opportunity for a bigger pump, but in that case, we simply need to wait here for that breakout and support confirmation of this bearish order block. And if this will happen, then my next take profit target here is like 80 to 85k dollars. I described this in more detail like in my last Bitcoin analysis, so if you want to know about it more, I highly recommend you to check that video. But yeah, in my opinion, as I said, this can be really good setup, and Bitcoin right now is in the critical situation. And if you want to have, let's say, the most accurate potential take profit targets, you can use these order blocks on the 1 hour time frame. The first bearish order block is between levels 67k500 and 66k700, then 70k600 and 69k800, and the last take profit target can be in the area 74k500 and 73k800 approximately. So yeah, this can be like your main free take profit targets, but still this setup is primarily on that 4 hour time frame. So definitely like support confirmation, for example, on like 1 hour or 30-minute chart, in my opinion, is like not valid, because for example here you can see this was like an absolutely perfect fake out on the 4 hour time frame, because for example on that 1 hour chart we can see that there was like almost a perfect support confirmation here. But yeah, if we are watching like a support confirmation on like a 4 hour chart, then yeah, you simply can't be watching like lower time frames, because then the setup is invalid. If we take a look on a Bitcoin dominance, you can see that we are right now sitting on the level 55.3%. Me personally, I would really love to see to reach these lower order blocks, which are between levels 55.1% and 55.0 and 54.97 and 54.92. So these are actually like the two main support areas that I'm currently watching. So if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, and then we will, for example, reach like these lower areas, then I'm definitely planning to open that long position on Bitcoin, because then the probability will be definitely on our side. But another important thing that I need to say is that always before you are entering any of these trades or like any of your own trades, have proper risk management and proper stop loss. So for example, risk like 1 to 3% of your entire trading capital per one trade, and always have a proper stop loss. So in case of like a big dump, you are not losing a big portion of your portfolio, because that's the most important thing. And only with like good risk management, you will stay in trading for a long time. And yeah, that's the main goal here. To summarize that, right now we are forming your really amazing trading setup, which will be valid in case of a breakout, support confirmation, and of course a small downfall of a Bitcoin dominance chart. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you next time. See ya.